Hi, in this video I'm going to show you ReadyKernel. Virtuozzo ReadyKernel is a K-patch-based service shipped with Virtuozzo 7 and available out of the box on hardware nodes with active license. ReadyKernel enables you to receive cumulative kernel patches that fix security issues and apply those patches without having to reboot the server. When you have a ReadyKernel fix available and you want to install it, what you can do is type ReadyKernel update. This will initiate special YAM requests that will connect to our ReadyKernel repository and provide you with an RPM containing special patch, which is the kernel module that can be applied on a running kernel. Let me show you my Virtuozzo node with command like ReadyKernel. You can see the list of commands here. So what is important here is that you can automate your update procedure with the command auto update enabled. This will create a cron task. For me, this will be making ReadyKernel update every day 12. You can see the current status with ReadyKernel info. So my server has 0 patches available, so let's actually try to update it. So what it does, it tries to find any available package with the patches for kernel that are installed, and it will be downloaded. And for running kernel, a patch will be automatically loaded. Autoload is by default, but you can alter this with option autoload. Here it is, so you can set it to disable. Default option is enabled. If you want to know what are the security fixes available for ReadyKernel, you can go to Virtuozzo ReadyKernel sites, and for your kernel that you have, you might select it. For example, this one, and you can see those are all of the kernel patches packages available for this kernel. You can see that all packages contain fewer fixes, and the latest one have more of this. And here is the description of everything that's fixed with this exact patch. You can see that this is security vulnerability fixes, but also fix for the kernel issues. That's something that changed kernel behavior. Not all security issues or bugs can be fixed in ReadyKernel patches. Some other hotfixes might be applied to different packages, and what's most important is that some kernel fixes cannot be applied on fly. So if you want to know whether or not your hotfix is available live, you can go to our documentation, and this is docs.virtuozzo.com. Open README and changelog. So this is a handful list of hotfixes with the description. You can go there and find. So what I wanted to show you here is this particular Virtuozzo 7 hotfix 1 for update 8. So this hotfix contains of a new kernel that provide essential fix for L1TF issue and some others. But what is most important is that this particular hotfix can be obtained only with YAM update and reboot into the latest kernel. So due to complexity of this hotfix, you should reboot the node to the new kernel. This patch cannot be provided via ReadyKernel. That's it what I wanted to tell you about the ReadyKernel. I will also describe how to perform regular YAM update on standalone node and storage nodes for Virtuozzo 7 in future episodes. So stay tuned. Bye.